The thought of being without data in today's computer-reliant world doesn't bear thinking about. IT systems need to process data 24/7, 365 days a year. With data being such a large part of even small businesses, short outages can cause significant disruption, with any downtime resulting in reduced productivity and loss of revenue. So it's imperative business-critical IT equipment is kept and maintained in optimal conditions. Not forgetting the need to be more environmentally aware and more energy efficient to lower our carbon impact. Ensuring servers are maintained in the correct environment using dedicated IT cooling systems can enhance their efficiency and improve their lifespan, as well as reducing the chances of unplanned outages. That's where Mitsubishi Electric's IT cooling range can help, and why we've developed an M-series system that uses lower GWP R32 refrigerant, great for meeting CSR requirements. The M-series MSY TP R32 wall-mounted system offers an energy-efficient, high-sensible cooling solution that's easy to install and comes in a stylish compact white design. Available in 3.5 kilowatt and 5 kilowatt sizes, it's designed specifically for applications that require high sensible cooling. Its high SHF of 0.98 makes the MSY TP perfect for small server rooms. In fact, with a high SHF and an SEER of up to 9, the MSY TP delivers a 41% run cost saving over our Mr. Slim power inverter wall-mounted systems. All of our IT cooling systems are available to order with short lead times, meaning installation times are kept to a minimum, and helping to ensure that businesses can continue to operate safe in the knowledge that their data won't be compromised. So now when you think IT cooling, think Mitsubishi Electric. For more information, visit thinkitcooling.co.uk.